This your boy back at it. This is a FUBU, like army green or military green denim jacket, and I like it. I like it a lot. I just determined that I would like it a lot more if it was different, you know. So what I'm thinking about is sprinkling, putting bleach in a spray bottle, sprinkling it, then adding some blue to it. Not sure quite how to look, but why not? Again, this was another thrift purchase, and I generally have fun doing this. So we're gonna get it soaked wet, we're gonna spray it, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, peace. So for the most part, I got it drenched. And I decided I'm just gonna start simply with just kind of spraying it with bleach a little bit. I kind of just want like some little faded spots on it. As you can see, it's got a little dirty. But again, I just want some faded spots. I'm just spraying it with a little bleach. And let it sit out here. And hopefully I get some cool spots. And then I'm gonna add some color to it. FUBU. Ain't want no FUBU since '92. But it's cool. All right, I'll check back in a minute. Let's see what we got when the bleach spot settle in. All right, here we go. I got what I wanted. Some nice faded patches of the green. To me, this actually makes it look more military-like. Now, I decided I'm gonna go add it with a blue. And why blue? Because I got a lot of camo type shit, a lot of green type shit, but I don't have nothing, I don't think, with a blue in it. So just for the sake of being creative and creating some shit I don't already have, this is what I'm gonna use, this red denim blue. And so let's get it started. I'm gonna kind of do like I did, just a little splat. Actually, I think I'm gonna splatter in the faded spots because I'm thinking the blue should come up better there. Splatter there. I'm not doing the whole, like, I'm not going crazy with it. Just similar to the way I did the bleach. Just some splatterings here. A few splatterings. Let's see, splatterings here. Some splatterings, let's see over here. Over here. So yeah, just random splatterings of blue. I think that's good. Let's see, let's turn it over. Oh, sweet. The back is real dope. Again, random splatterings of blue. I think that's, one more way. All right, let's turn it over again, see what we got. I don't know, I think it's good. I really don't think I need to do any more. Let's hit it with some. Right in there. Kind of going over some of the spots I already hit. All right, that is it. So I will let it stay out here to dry. And yeah, cool beans. All right, once it's I guess, washed and rinsed and dried, and we'll see what the final product looks like. All right, peace. All right, so here we go. This actually came out perfect. If you look at it, you can kind of see some of the blues. Some of the blues are more heavier in certain spots than others. Some of the blues look kind of in purple. You can see all the way the spray bleach, kind of that splatter effect it has all over it. Yeah, this came out. It's rare I can say something came out exactly how I planned it to, because most times I don't actually have a plan per se. But this one came out. This one was perfect. Yeah, this was perfect. Sleeves perfect, everything. A nice mix. 10 times better than what it was before I did it. 100 times better. And it can go with anything. You can wear it with green, with blue, with camo pants. This is A1. A1, fresh. All right, peace.